What's up guys, it's John and I just wanted to tell you more about Vortex BioShield. Anyway, in case you guys are wondering, this is actually a cell phone EMF radiation harness.
I tried this Vortex BioShield product and I usually feel a vibration from my cell phone and I really don't like it, but once I use this one, actually I don't feel the weird vibration and it doesn't give me any hand cramps.
My name is Jerry, and I'm a medical intuitive, and I am able to see energy within objects like crystals, human beings, and different radiating sources and magnetic fields. When I picked up this device to find out if it was truly what it claimed, I saw that it can deflect negative energy, radionic energy, and because it has a crystalline pattern, it actually protects you from harmful radiant energy from cell phones.
What you do with it is you basically attach it to your phone, and with me, once I did that, my phone started to operate a lot colder. Now, I actually picked up one of these guys from my girlfriend as well, and she's just absolutely rocking it. She's telling everybody about it, and she's just really in love with this thing. Now, besides your phone actually operating colder, it's a great way to reduce your EMF exposures as well. Now, bottom line, I'm just really happy with this purchase. If you haven't checked out these things yet, you better. Your body's just gonna thank you for it.
This is the situation. I didn't have any protection for this phone. And I walked over and say, that looks good, well, let's try it. It's interesting, there's a bubble. I'm a healer. There's a bubble of protective energy is what I call it. It comes out about so far.
Could you show us what you use?
What
Just take it out.
oh, here we go. There it is.
All right.
There it is. It just got put on here. And I can see the energy bubble. I can see it.
Wonderful.
Protective energy. And this guy's pretty good. And it's a good price.
Thank you. Aura. Okay, can I have that back? Let's see if it changes again. Look what happens. It becomes milky. It dissipates. Okay, let's try it again. Take this.
Oh, Lord, that changed drastically.
This is phenomenal. Look what's happening. You're glowing.
Ilan te böyle baner var tere.